Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video today, we'll be showing you guys how we apply Kool Seal's silicone coating. As you can see, we've started with the cleaning process. We've pressure washed the surface to remove all particles, surface mildew, or any other thing that may prevent the product from bonding. Here we are thoroughly mixing the material with a stick, but it's best recommended to use a drill. This application normally requires good weather conditions before applying. We normally apply 2 coats around the parameters, sealing all cracks and holes. We pour the material directly onto the surface and spread across with a gauge rake, maintaining between 25 to 30 wet mils. Using a gauge rake, this allows us to maintain a consistent thickness throughout the entire surface. We'd also back roll This coating is 100% water resistant. It's great for ponding. It's also UV resistant, reflecting the sun's rays to ensure you have a cooler home. You don't need to worry, because it also adheres to most roofing materials. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any queries or would like a system like this installed to your home, feel free to contact us via email or our webpage at www.thomascoatfinishes.com.